Welcome or welcome back. This tutorial will teach you how to cut a long layered haircut with curtain bangs. We start with zoning out the haircut. Starting in the fringe or bang zone. Over directing the whole side section to the center parting, using our razor underneath our section, cutting an inverted or increased layer. To refine, we take horizontal sections, removing bulk and weight from sections through this zone. This will create texture and movement. When using a razor, it is important to hold with firm tension whilst moving our razor quickly. Cutting an inverted layer will create invisible layers, creating internal volume and movement. We now take a small section, cutting horizontal, over directing into the center. This becomes our guide for the outline of our bangs. This process will help the center of your bangs to jump and create movement. It will help the fringe pop up, sitting off of the face. We now take our whole side zone, splitting the zone into two. Using the length of the hair as my guide, continuing to use my razor to cut inverted layers. We now repeat this process in the top section using our guide from the first section. You will notice I am removing weight towards the face shape, the opposite of normal face framing. This will help to push the heaviness in the weight and the corners to sit a little bit edgier around the face. You'll see this technique used in a lot of wolf cuts. We continue to refine each zone, working around the head shape, using our razor to remove bulk. Let me know in the comments below if you think this looks more like a shag or a wolf cut. We now repeat the same process on the opposite side. Cutting reverse face framing and pushing the weight towards the jaw and down to the chin. This technique is particularly effective in styles like asymmetrical bobs, pixie cuts and layered shags, where precision and detail elevate the design. Helps to elongate or define the jawline, especially for clients with rounder or broader faces. The point enhances forward movement in the cut, creating a sense of flow and direction in the overall hairstyle. If you have learned something new and you value my work, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe icons. We continue the same process in the back zones, using the length from the occipital bone as our guide, ensuring firm tension and even, fast motion with our razor. The razor should move effortlessly through the hair. An inverted layer is a haircut technique where the layers are shorter at the bottom and progressively longer towards the top. This creates a flipped or stacked effect, adding volume and shape into the hair. It works by building weight at the top, which lifts the layers and adds movement. You stop removing bulk when the hair feels balanced, light, and movable, without becoming too thin or losing its shape. The texture should be soft and blended, and the layers should retain fullness whilst allowing for natural movement. Removing bulk in layered haircuts lightens the hair, improves movement, and ensures layers blend smoothly without excess weight. It creates a more natural flow and prevents heaviness. We continue the back zone, cutting a line, elevating our client's head forward. I use the heel of my razor to cut the left-hand side. Using the same motion speed, I use the tip of my razor to cut the right-hand side. Here are some quick tips for using a razor. A feather razor is a tool with a sharp single-edge blade used to soften and texturize hair. It creates light wispy ends and adds movement without heavy weight. Ideal for blending layers and removing bulk. We now complete the haircut, blending the front zone into the back. To style, I would use sea salt spray and curl cream and diffuse with natural texture. You could also round brush your desired finish. Here I am using curling irons to create shape to complement the shape. Let me know in the comments below if you would call this haircut a wolf cut, butterfly cut, or a shag haircut. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned to see me transform this haircut into an amazing lob and then into a bob haircut. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you like this tutorial, you should watch this one next.